Yeah. Well, Laura,
It was a quick comment in an appearance on conservative TV, the lieutenant governor giving COVID another political spin.
the biggest group in most states are African Americans who have not been vaccinated. And the last time I checked, over 90% of them vote for Democrats. But they're doing nothing for the African American community.
I am sad and disappointed.
Pastor Richie Butler's response after spending the entire pandemic
Which one of this? This is the Pfizer.
using his church, community centers, and schools as pop-up vaccination and COVID testing sites.
A raging problem in our country and in our state when it comes to this pandemic. And I believe our political leadership is doing anything other than providing leadership.
In a Facebook post, Patrick defended his comments by saying federal and state data clearly indicate that black vaccination rates are significantly lower than white or Hispanic rates. Yes, according to state and hospital data, blacks do have lower vaccination rates than whites and Hispanics in Texas. But in terms of raw numbers, in a state with a population of more than 29 million, that means there are an estimated 6.3 million unvaccinated white people in Texas, 6.2 million unvaccinated Hispanics, 2.29 million unvaccinated blacks in Texas, and over 504,000 unvaccinated Asian Americans. As a race, blacks in Texas are among the smallest number of unvaccinated, not the biggest.
The math works itself out, I think, pretty clearly.
Dr. Mark Casanova and the conversation he wishes we were having instead.
The virus does not care if there's an R or a D or what race or what God we pray to. Therefore, the management of viral pandemics to be most effective should be apolitical.
And a frustrated pastor agrees.
God has given us this pandemic to figure out how we work together to solve it together. And I don't want God to throw his hands up and say, I'm through with y'all because y'all can't even work together on this.
In Dallas, I'm Kevin Reese.